Let's talk about a bag that's either loved or hated by bag lovers across the world. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator, but she's a Naija babe. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, entrepreneurship with luxury sprinkled in between. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. Today we are talking about two items that I bought from Fashionphile. If you are an oldie, you know I love Fashionphile. If you are a new subscriber or just new to this video, Fashionphile is a luxury pre-loved site. It's one of my favorite sites to buy authenticated pre-loved items, and today I bought two items from Fashionphile. We're going to be focusing on one item in particular, and that is the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie BV. Bottega is one of my favorite luxury brands. I love their craftsmanship. I love that their items are structured but also very low-key, very minimalist. And so I remember wanting to buy this bag. I reached out to so many other influencers that had it, asking them whether they loved it or not. I had a couple say they did not like it. They sent it back. The zipper was hard to get into. They couldn't fit a lot of things into it. And then I had other influencers that had bought it and then went back and bought 2 and 3 different colorways of that bag. And I just was like, okay, I have people that hate it and I have people that love it. I want to make my own decision. And if you are new here, I am a mini bag lover. I love all things tiny and petite and cute, and I love color. And so I held off on buying this bag until I saw this color. So what happened was I went to Atlanta, Georgia for an influencer event for a brand, and we got there like a couple of hours early, and so I decided to go buy the Real Real. The Real Real is another luxury pre-loved site and store. They have a showroom in Atlanta, Georgia that you can go in and look at some of their items. With the Real Real, they've had a couple of issues, so I like to go in the store to look at the bag, and I'm so glad that they have a showroom in Atlanta. I walked in, and guess what bag was on display? The Mini Jodie. In the color that I wanted, Blaster, which is this gorgeous like aqua blue color. They had it sitting right there. And so I was like, ugh. I picked it up, I held it. It spoke to me. If you are one of my regular lovies, you know my bags have to ring, ring, ring. Call me up and speak to me. Otherwise, I'm not going to buy it. Like if I walk in there and the bag is like, buy me, I'm gonna buy it. Like if I have the moolah, I'm gonna buy it. This bag literally spoke to me. And so I ended up buying it. They did not have, I think the one they had in store was sold, but they had another one on the site, so they shipped it to me. And when I got this bag, when I opened it, I was even more in love with it than when I saw it in store. It's gorgeous. The color's beautiful. It's vibrant. It's in this gorgeous pattern. And if you are a handbag lover that loves bags that you don't have to fuss over, you love bags that are easy to maintain, you love bags that you don't have to baby, patent leather is the right leather for you. If you're that girl that just throws your bags anywhere, you go to a restaurant, you sit it on the table, you don't want a bag that you have to rock to sleep, patent leather is the leather for you, and this bag is the bag for you. So let's look at it a bit more in depth and closer. Y'all, I don't even, hold on, let me bring it closer because I don't think you're seeing the color, the depth of the color. So it's looking a little bit more blue on camera, but it is like a blue green. It's like the color of like the waters in Hawaii, like this beautiful blue green color. The color is called Blaster. It's the intercotta leather that Bottega is known for. Daniel Lee just did amazing with these pouch bags. You have the knot handle. Of course, it's a top handle. It is not a crossbody, so you're not going to be able to wear it as a crossbody. But they have it in so many different leathers. They have it in so many different colors. This color just spoke to me. The girls were not wrong. The zipper is temperamental. The zipper, so it zips closed. I'm going to bring it a bit closer. I'm going to zip it. The zipper is a little bit temperamental, so it's silver hardware. You see the zipper right here. It is a bit temperamental, but it's nothing that you have to fuss and fight over. It's not catching, like it doesn't catch on strings or the leather or anything like that. It's just tough to, it's like a little bit hard to open, but I don't mind it. The inside is this. I'm going to go ahead and take the receipt out. The inside is a beautiful, beautiful turquoise leather as well. You have Bottega Veneta right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Let me bring it a bit closer. Can you see it? There we go. You have Bottega. Bottega is one of those minimalist brands, so you're not going to have their logo all over it. They're just going to have a little small sort of Bottega Veneta. Like they whisper, Bottega Veneta. Which I love. Look at that. Look at the beauty. It's one of those bags, if you spill makeup or lipstick, you can just get a cloth and wipe it off because the interior is leather as well. Look at how gorgeous this is. The craftsmanship on Bottega is one of my favorite. This is the third Bottega Veneta bag that I own. And when I tell you, look at the stitching around the zipper. Like, you can't even tell. You can't see the stitch work. It's invisible. It's invisible, right? It's absolutely just a gorgeous, gorgeous bag, and the color is literally beautiful. I'm gonna put some photos to the side. I wore it for Fashion Week, so if you're looking for a hobo or crescent shaped bag, I highly recommend this bag. It's so easy to wear. Two bags that I bought that I didn't think I was gonna get cost per wear out of was the Balenciaga Hourglass bag and this bag. And when I tell you this bag, every time I go somewhere, I just grab it. If you're looking for a pop of color, this is it. If you're looking for something easy, this is it. If you're looking for something vibrant that's gonna stand out, this is it. If you're looking for a bag that people are gonna say, what is that? Where did you get that bag from? This is it. Like, this is the bag right here. It is literally just beautiful. Let's talk about what fits into this bag. Right now, my bag is full of the items that I usually carry with me when I go out. It has my iPhone 13 Pro Max inside of it. It has my keys, all of my keys on my keychain in it. It has my everyday LV card holder. Oh my god, my brain just went somewhere else. And a compact with a brush. It fits everything that you needed to fit when you're going out. Like, you don't have to bring another bag with you. It will literally fit everything else. And it had room for other things inside of it as well. So it does fit a lot of things if you're looking for, you know, a bag that's small but still fits your items inside of and will literally pack a punch. Like, the girls are going to be stopping you saying, where did you get this bag from? The mini Jodie BV. Perfecto. Perfecto. Let's talk about the other pre-loved item that I just bought, and this is from Fashion File, which is one of my favorite pre-loved sites to shop from. We're not going to do an unboxing of this bag. It is not what I expected. I bought this bag right when I got back from London, and before I went to Fashion Week. I was tired. And I went on Fashion File. I wanted something with a little bit of bling, with a little bit of shine, and I didn't look at the dimensions of the bag. I just bought it. It was literally $250. And I was like, oh my God, $250 for a cute, shiny bag for the fall and for the winter. I'm sold. And I bought it. And it's Alexander Wang. And it came in while I was in New York. And when I got back and I opened it, I was like, what is this? What is this? What is this? It was I love a tiny bag, but this is a microscope. It's microscopic. It's a baby bag. It's a coin pouch, really. That's what it is. This is the Alexander Wang. I'm going to call it a coin pouch, but it's so cute. It is just so cute. It's perfect for Christmas and the holidays coming up. I'm not going to be able to fit a lot of things into it, but that's fine. It just is going to be a crossbody. So what I can do is wear it as a crossbody and have another purse along with it. It is a coin pouch. I don't know what else to tell you. All it can fit is maybe your debit card and your ID for the nights that you're going out with the girls and you're going for a cute little party or night out. This is going to be perfect. All you need is an ID and a wallet so you can pay for your drinks. That's all. That's all it's good for. It does have crossbody straps, but I mean, I don't know if you guys can see this crossbody strap, but look at it. No, it can't fit over my head. The most it'll do is maybe just fit right underneath my arms, and that's it. It also has another chain that comes with it if you want to do it as a top handle, but otherwise, that's all there is to the bag. But I just thought I would show it if you're looking for something under $300, something that's cute, that's a cute little coin pouch for when you go out. This is it. If you're looking for a bag that's going to be a talking piece, holds a lot of things, and packs a punch, the Mini Jodie BV is it by Bottega Veneta. If you love this bag, comment below. Let me know a scale of 1 to 10. What are your thoughts on it? If you have this bag, how are you liking it so far? And again, if you're not a part of this channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. And if you're one of my regular lovies, thank you for joining me on this corner of the internet. I will see you next time. Love you. Mean it. Bye.